The great job shift stop for just 1 second. Look at the headlines. AI replaces 10,000 writers. AI automates customer service. It feels like a storm is coming, doesn't it? But here's a secret the news won't tell you. While the old jobs are vanishing, a massive door is opening for those who know where to look. In 2026, the question isn't, is AI taking your job? The real question is, are you ready to take the jobs AI is creating? Today, at the AI Income Hub, I'm giving you a 5-minute masterclass. I'm breaking down 5 specific high-demand roles that you can start today with just a $100 investment. No fluff, no hype, just the blueprint. Role number 1, the AI prompt architect. Let's start with the most important role of the decade, the prompt architect. Think about it. Every business on the planet is trying to use ChatGPT, but most of them are doing it wrong. They ask basic questions and get basic results. A prompt architect is the bridge. You don't just chat with AI, you engineer it. Imagine a local real estate agency. They spend hours writing property descriptions. You step in and build them a custom GPT that writes high converting listings in 10 seconds. You charge $100 for that one setup. It takes you 20 minutes. That is the power of being an architect. You aren't working harder, you're just working smarter. Role number 2, synthetic media manager. Next, let's talk about the explosion of synthetic media. In the old days, if a brand wanted a high-end commercial, they needed a studio, a camera crew, and a $10,000 budget. In 2026, they just need you.
Using tools like Sora, Midjourney, and yes, 11 Labs, you can create professional video ads from your bedroom. Small brands are desperate for this. They need TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. By becoming a synthetic media manager, you're providing Hollywood quality at startup prices. If you can create just one viral style clip a day, you've already cleared your $100 goal. And the best part? The AI does the heavy lifting. Role number 3, the AI content humanizer. Now, here is a role that is booming right now, the AI humanizer. Google and other search engines are getting smarter. They don't want robotic content. They want soul. They want personality. Businesses are using AI to write thousands of blogs, but those blogs are being flagged and ignored because they lack a human touch. This is where you come in. Your job is to take raw AI data and inject emotion, storytelling, and fact-checking. You are the final filter. It's the perfect role for someone who loves to read and edit. You're not starting from a blank page, you're just polishing a diamond. It's fast, it's high-paying, and it is completely future-proof. Role number 4 and number 5, the Auditor and the Automator. The final 2 roles go hand in hand, the AI Auditor and the Workflow Automator. An auditor checks AI for hallucinations. You ensure the numbers are right and the facts are true. It sounds simple, but for a law firm or a medical clinic, a mistake is expensive. They will pay you a premium for your accuracy. And finally, the Automator. This is for the person who loves puzzles. You use tools like Zapier to connect AI to a business's email, their calendar, and their sales sheets. You build a digital employee that never sleeps. Once you set it up, it runs forever. That is the definition of passive income. You build the machine once, and the machine pays you every single month. The AI Income Hub vision. Look, the world is changing fast. You can either be afraid of the change, or you can own it. Your $100 investment isn't just for a tool subscription, it's for your freedom. If you found this 15-minute breakdown valuable, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button and join the AI Income Hub family. We don't just watch the future happen, we build it. I've put the links to the tools we discussed in the description below. Go out there, pick one of these roles, and start building. I'll see you in the next video.